And you do. But by the way, when I give talks and conferences here in Paris, people are asking me, "Is metaverse going to replace the real world?" And I say that generally the metaverse it's not as good as the real world, but it's much better than what we have today, like Zoom, like Google Meet, like Teams. When we're only in 2D, 2D now you will have 3D technologies. You can see, like you said, people moving around. It will be better. I think we have been conceived to be in 3Ds, not in 2Ds, unfortunately. And when people say that they will never spend like 10 hours a day in a metaverse, I reply that they already do. When you spend 10 hours a day on Google Meet, you're just spending time in a poor version of a metaverse. It's like a pre version of a metaverse. It's not as good as a metaverse. So they will come at a point where they will spend 10 hours a day on a metaverse, which will be much better than what they have today, but still worse than reality. And by the way, when you see that we're going to spend so much time in metaverses, we can understand easily why a Gucci bag is more expensive in a virtual world than in the real world. You know, the Dalenys bag has been sold for $1,000, for $4,000 in a virtual world, and cheaper in the real world. Because if we're going to spend 10 hours a day on the sandbox, why do you want to have a physical bag? It's useless.